What is BotKnife? Why we created it? As a business, what's in it for me? My business track and niche have nothing to do with AI. It even have nothing to do with IT or software and all these tech jargons in the market today. Why should I use AI at all rather than BotKnife? You are totally right to ask yourself these questions. In this short session, let's go through all the philosophy that motivated us to build it and was behind the creation of BotKnife. For sure, as a business, you either talk to potential customers, leads if you want, you talk to current customers to go through problems they encounter and show them how to resolve these issues. You talk to your staff to educate them about the best practices, right? And in every situation, it is a different person who is doing the talking or tutoring or training. We know you need people to work on this, but you can make it easier on them. By making BotKnife your first line of support before a human support line, staff need time for a vacation, and sometimes they get sick, and this will delay your business wheels, don't you think? We have just created the solution for you, one AI bot that talk and help all these parties. It does not have or need the time to sleep, or take a vacation, or get sick, or take a nap. Welcome to BotKnife from Flowbytes. BotKnife is built on top of the leading-edge technologies like Azure AI Studio, Microsoft Azure, and OpenAI models. No-code platform. We've just created it, so you can create your chatbot for your website, even if you don't have any skills for coding. And you put it in your website. SaaS customer service. You can build your customer service experience in software as a service on our cloud platform. The service is going to be available 24 hours, 7 days, 365 days a year. A bot that understands your business using OpenAI GPT models for your service with undefeated prices. BotKnife is a cloud chatbot creation software as a service portal that speaks 95 languages and more, is inexpensive at all, high performance and reliable. Secure and domains bound, works only on your domains, easy to train and design, easy to deploy in your website. You manage and modify your subscription after registering with us. We use Stripe.com through our website. Stripe.com is our payment gateway partner. It is very secure gateway. From our website, 3 packages are there: Basic Plan B, Golden Plan G, and Enterprise Plan. In B Plan, you have up to 15 million tokens per month. Maybe this is more than enough for your business, but if it's not enough, you can upgrade to larger or higher plans. Through the help page in our website, you learn from these experts how you can design your chatbot and put it in your website. Introduction, subscription, knowledge upload, design your bot, and then deploy your bot. Knowledge and design. You prepare your knowledge in files as PDF or text documents, prepare them, upload them. Number 2. Number 3, you design your bot. Number 4, you deploy your bot and it is live in your website. Change the design at any time. You can go back and change the design. You can go even back and prepare another documents. You don't have to redeploy if you did not change your API key through our website. It's that easy. You design it. No technical skills required. We use AI technology called RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, easy design, and cloud-based, secure and reliable. Few only steps: subscribe, build your bot, test by chatting with it, and then deploy it. Who are we targeting today? We are targeting small, intermediate, and large businesses, public sector and governments, schools and universities, non-profit organizations, language-agnostic organizations, organizations that deal with customers who speak different languages. So it's really hectic to build your own chatbot these days because you need these 5 steps. You have to design, you have to develop, you have to test, and you have to deploy. Then you have to monitor. Can you see the difficulties in these 5 steps? And then you can go back, again, redesign, redevelop, retest, and redeploy. But if you rely on BotKnife.com platform, literally you can go live in 10 minutes if you use our platform. Subscribe, build and deploy. That's it. Through the metrics and usage monitoring screen, you can see year by year. You choose the year, and it will give you the breakdown of usage month by month, how many embedding tokens you spend, and how many conversations were there. How many questions were there? This is going to tell you this month, December, and this customer is in trialing phase. So you can manage subscription, either be B, G, or E. You can start with G Golden monthly, and then you change it to be B every 6 months, and then you change to E Enterprise and pay yearly. And then you change to G and pay every 6 months, and then you change again back to B. Then B yearly, and then, if not satisfied, you can cancel your subscription. Your subscription will be applied immediately and fees prorated accurately, and you'll be refunded if you change from a higher plan to a lower one. Thank you very much and welcome to BotKnife.com. Start today. In BotKnife, we have a long roadmap. The future is going to hold many enhancements and evolution of the system. We are currently working on many integrations with other platforms and ecosystems. Once we publish it, you will start seeing new features added to your plan. Thank you very much, and on behalf of BotKnife development team, I thank you very much for selecting our service. See you then, and all the best.